Total productive maintenance, or TPM, is a proactive approach to equipment care. Its goal: zero breakdowns, zero defects, and zero accidents. TPM involves everyone, not just maintenance teams, in keeping equipment running efficiently. It's built on 8 foundational pillars, the structure of a successful TPM system. Autonomous maintenance. Operators are trained on routine procedures like inspection and lubrication, so they have the technical knowledge to work with equipment and catch issues early. Quality maintenance. Root cause analysis is used to detect the sources of quality defects. This helps catch design errors early and prevent defects from moving downstream, avoiding extra costs. Planned maintenance. Unlike reactive strategies like run-to-failure (RTF) maintenance, planned maintenance is proactive and scheduled. Tasks can be performed when equipment is idle, minimizing production disruptions. Focused improvement. Small, cross-functional teams are assigned to observe a process and find ways to improve it. This approach helps uncover persistent issues and evaluate the risks of potential changes. Early equipment management. TPM practices are applied during the design phase of new equipment, making it easier to maintain and faster to reach ideal performance. This also reduces installation costs. Training and education. Employees receive training on TPM concepts and preventive maintenance. Operators learn how to identify developing issues, and coaching may support their career growth. Safety, health, and environment. This pillar aims to eliminate physical risks by ensuring equipment is properly set up, calibrated, and aligned with safety regulations. The goal is an accident-free workplace. TPM in administration. TPM is applied to administrative functions like procurement and scheduling. The goal is to reduce waste and streamline access to parts and materials. Together, these pillars create a culture where everyone shares responsibility for performance, quality, and safety.